Hi there, Michael Eskin here with an ABC Transcription Tools feature preview demo. Before I retired in December of 2023, I worked for over a decade for a company called SmartDraw. SmartDraw is an online diagramming, whiteboarding, and data presentation application that allows you to create diagrams of almost any kind, so including org charts, BPMN charts, space planning, floor planning, that sort of thing. And one of the nice features of SmartDraw is that it has an external web API that allows you to create diagrams from data. So what I've done is to take advantage of that feature in my tool to allow you to create set lists as SmartDraw diagrams, and I'll show you exactly what that means. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a set of tunes here. So here we have 11 tunes. And what I'm about to show you is a preview of functionality I'll be releasing in February when I'm back from my vacation. So you'll go to More Tools, Export All Audio or Images, and there'll be a new button that says SmartDraw Setlist Builder. And here are all the tunes in the Tunebook. And we can go ahead and add set list names for them. So for example, we're going to have set number 1, and then we'll click another spot where we want to put a set list name. We'll say set list number 2, and set number 3, and finally set number 4. And we can move these tunes around. So if I want to put Chaff Pool Post in the first one, or I want to move Dunphy's to the second one, Boys of the Blue Hill down, you can move these around. Once you have everything the way you like it, you can click Export SmartDraw Setlist, and you give it a file name and a name for the set list, and I'll call this My SmartDraw Demo. And now it'll go ahead and create the SmartDraw diagram. So I'm going to switch over to SmartDraw, and I'm going to import that diagram. Once the import is complete, we can open it. And what you're going to see here is a structured representation of that set list. Here's the main set list name, My SmartDraw Demo, and then here are the different set lists. So here's set number 1, and here's set number 2. I'm just going to go ahead and close them up. And set number 3. So we have our 4 sets. We can open them individually. And on each of these tunes, there's a hyperlink. And if you click the hyperlink, it'll play in my player. So we'll go to a different one. Let's say we'll close that set. We'll go to the second set here, and we'll click on Coolies. The other thing you can do is, if we open everything up here, you can see everything. And I'll zoom out a bit so you can kind of get the big picture. Is I can export this as a PDF file. So I'm going to go to Export, PDF. It'll take a second to download the file. And here's the PDF of that SmartDraw diagram with all the set lists. And the links are still live. So for example, if I click on Chaff Pool Post, so I think this is just the start of what might be possible using SmartDraw Export. If you have some ideas for building structured diagrams like this around your tunes, please let me know, and I'll see if I can include it in a future version.